Namhlanje asibheke any problem algebra. From question 1 bathi lana, let's solve for x in each of the following. And then 1.1.1 bathi sinikeze 2x minus 1 into x plus 4 konke lokhu kulingana no 0. So this problem is copied from grade 9 work, whereby a product of a multiplied by b if ilingana no 0, then which means a ulingana no 0 or b wako uzolingana no 0. So in this case it's not which is 2x minus 1 umelolingana no 0 or x plus 4 now umelolingana no 0. So when we solve for x in this case, it's where it will transpose negative 1 to the right hand side, then I'm left with 2x is equals to 1, and then ngapha x uzolingana no negative 4. Then here I have to divide by 2 both sides, then x uzolingana no 1 over 2. Problem elandelayo 1.1.2 sinikezwe la 3x squared minus x is equals to 5, but now we are supposed to leave our answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so kulendo let me transpose 5 ngulethe ngapha ngibhala in the standard format quadratic ka ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then izobe sengisebenzisa quadratic formula by knowing ama values are a near b near c. So la mang transpose 5 to the left hand side gizoba no negative 5 equals to 0. Then a wam la in this case ulingana no 3, b wam ulingana no negative 1 which is the coefficient of x, and c wam ulingana no negative 5. Now you'll be given a formula sheet in a quadratic formula at x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Then we do a substitution. Then upi wako it's negative, so it's negative into negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 all squared minus 4 if you look at a you 3 if you look at c yona you negative 5 all divided by 2, and then your value of a is positive 3. Then you punch your calculator, you will find that 1 plus or minus square root of younger than this is 61, and then all divided by 6 because 2 times 3 rolling around 6. And then but as yama answer it into 2 decimal places, to x wako kala it's 1,47. X wako is b uzoba x equals to negative 1,14. Then it's all the answer akaphela. Inkinga masiniyo nilandela isithathu 1.1.3 x squared plus 7x minus 8 is less than equals to or equals to 0. Sorry, x squared plus 7x minus 8 is less than 0 only. Awukho equals to. Now, in this case, let's factorize la. Because value a is positive 1, so in a value factorize as a divided a negative number is equal x squared, which is the coefficient. So if we factorize, I'm a factors as mangwa times and negative 8, but mangwa minus and negative 7. So it's 8 and 1 because 8 times 1 unigeza 8, but bang it's 8 minus 1 unigeza make it 7. So I've got x la nalangine bani x, and then isign the issue with my sentence wafaka la awafani, but inamba enkulu ku 8 no 1 izothatha isign make it 10. So inamba enkulu now la 8 should 8 wam uzoba positive. Oh, should enjoy our functions, the rest elandela isobani is negative. Now in this case I need to say I'm mailing to critical values. So in other words, length of x plus 8 into x minus 1 is one it's length, it's an equation because length and it's an inequality. So here ifana nale problem engaphezulu, which means x plus 8 ulingana no 0 noma x minus 1 ulingana no 0. Okusho ukuthi x ulingana nobani? No negative 8 or x ulingana no 1. But awuqedile landing nikeza ama-boundaries for ama-critical values ukuthi isuka phi iphela. So njengamanje ngine negative 8 mangidebe number line bese ngiba no 1. Now I need to do a test. Iziphi inamba engizothi mangiyithola ku negative 8 no 1 a between la encane kunazo zonke. Ungathatha noma iziphi, but mina I would like to take u0. Then mangithatha u0 ngizowufaka la. Mangifaka u0 la ku x so ngizoba no 8 multiplied by negative 1, so ngithola i-answer a negative. But mangiyifaka la mangithatha negative 9, ngiba no negative 9 plus 8 kuma negative 1, la ngiba no negative 9 minus 1 kuma minus 10, and then negative times negative will give me positive. So in other words, if usuyitholile sign engala, then the rest is sign engaphi izoba positive. Ube le sign ibila ibe positive, le ngale izoba negative or negative. Or ungachecka ngapha. Ungathola i-answer yakho la i-positive, which means la soku negative kube positive. But ngifuna ukuchaza la ukuthi ama signs angeke alandelane, ngeke kube positive positive or negative negative or negative positive positive or positive negative negative. Kumele kube positive negative positive or negative positive negative. Now let's proceed. Since the inequality sign now equal sign, which means ikambuza lami leli ngilidubayo angeke ngilishade only if kukhona isign ka or equals to. Uma khona le sign le bengizoshade la, but ngoba le equal sign ayekho angizokushade. Now sengiyayibuza it's in equation yami bathi x plus 8 into x minus 1 is less than 0. Bakutshela lento ukuthi i-negative, then uyayibuza i-negative kephi la, shuthi isuka la ize kephi ize ngapha. Now asibhale lento in terms of inequality, beku x ngapha, sesizothe thina ungisuka ku1 ngapha, ngala ngisuka kubani ku negative 8. Bese mangibeka u-x la, mangisuka la ku1 ngiya kuyinamba ezi-negative, okusho ukuthi u-x omele abe mncane kunenamba ka1, futhi x omele abe mncane kuno1, futhi x omele ngimdumisele. So uma ngabe u-x wami ewu-negative esuka la ku-negative 8 eya ngapha kuyinamba e-positive, because ngala kuzoba negative 7 up to approach positive infinity. So usho ukuthi x omele ngimkhamisele kube yinamba enkulu kuno-negative 8. Kule problem esinikwe yona elandelayo ithi u4y minus x is equals to 4 and uxy is exactly equals to 8. We are required now to solve for x and y simultaneously. So I'm a simultaneous equations. So in I need to name this. I will say this is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So equation engibona ngathi lula la ile yokuqala le, ngoba le yokuqala it's a linear equation. Le it's a linear equation but it has a product of the two unknowns. So izothanda ukuba nzimana ngoba uma ngifuna ukwenza x noma y substitute of the formula kuzomela ngidivide it either ngo-x or ngo-y. Kanti la kuzoba easy. I can transpose 4y to the right hand side and then divide by negative. So let me do that. I will say from equation 1, ngifuna ukwenza x is subject of the formula. Let me transpose x to the right hand side, then I'm remaining with x. Then ngapha ngokwa left hand side ngino 4y, transpose 4 is ngapha izoba minus 4, and then I will need to name this as equation 3. Then after this I need to do a substitution with equation yesibili ngale equation yokuqala, ngale equation yesithathu, sorry, ngoba sengiyazi ukuthi u-x ulingana ncamashi no-4y minus 4, okusho ukuthi la khona u-x mina sengifaka bani u-4y minus 4. So we have ubani u-4y minus 4 into y equals to 8. Now let me remove ngo-4y, ngo-y, glama brackets. 4y times y ubani 4y squared minus 4 times y minus 4y. Then let me transpose 8 to the left hand side. We'll have minus 8 equals to 0. You can divide because 4 is a common factor. So y squared minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Then I can factorize this equals to 0. So y plus 1 and y minus 2. So it's either y ulingana nobani no minus 1 or y ulingana nobani no 2. Now sekumele siqhubeke sithole i-value ka-x. I will do a substitution back with equation isithathu because your equation isithathu where x is a subset of the formula. So lapha khona y equation isithathu ngizofaka u-1, then it would be 4 into -1 minus 4, or x will be equals to 4 into faka manje 2 minus 4, and then 4 times -1 would give you -4 minus 4 or minus 8, or ngapha x uzoba 4 times 2 phuma 8 minus 4 phuma 4. Then your solution set will be x and y as ama coordinates. Uma ngabe x -8, y uzoba -1, or x mangabe 4, y uzoba bani 2. Next problem, it says the graph of 4y minus x is equals to 4 is reflected across the line even the equation y is equals to x. So we are required to find the equation of the line that is being reflected. Now we are given a linear equation of 4y minus x is equals to 4. Maybe reflect ngalo line ka y is equals to x. Bakonde ukuthi la khona khona y uzofaka x, and then la khona khona x uzofaka y. So la shooting that mean kulo 4y minus x is equals to 4. After a reflection along this line, shooting the basen nobala x, and then la x nibe no y is equals to 4. Then let me make y subject of the formula. Let me transpose negative y to the right hand side, and then y will equals to 4x on the left hand side, and transpose 4 to the left is minus 4. And done. 1.3, but learn the solutions of a quadratic equation are given by x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2p plus 5 all divided by 7. Now but learn for each value of values of p will this equation have two equal solutions. So in other words, uma ngabe uthola equation ekanje bekubuza ngama solutions mhlawumbe ngaphuma bethalingana, go straight kulento ene square root, which means lento ephakathi kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0, or i-answer lela kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0. Okay, so lento la ngaphakathi kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0, which means u2p plus 5 kumele ngamashi alingane nobani no 0. So that we'll have ama equal solutions, or you can put a square root, it's okay, but you can get rid of the square root sign by putting a square bracket, and then your 2p plus 5 will exactly equals to 0, and then 2p transpose of 5 to the right hand side is over minus 5, and then up is over minus 5 over 2, and then ngezansi 70 for which values of p will this equation have no real solutions. So it's when lende lana ke ngaphakathi kwi square root kuzomele kunikeza i-answer e-negative. So it's u2p plus 5 kumele kunikeza i-answer negative. Futhi kumele abe less than ubani u0, ngoba i-numbers less than u0 zi-negative. Then let me transpose 5 to the right hand side, then 2p must be less than -5, and then divide both sides by 2, ngizobano p less than or minus 5 over 2. Then that's it.